Hey guys, Miss Wright here again, and in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create cell styles, or excuse me, use cell styles and use merging cells in Excel. So first off, you want to type out the data that you see there on PowerSchool Learning, and once you type all the data out, we're ready to go ahead and apply some cell styles and do some merging. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the word esports insurance or click in cell A1. Then I want to find the Cell Styles option under the Styles group of the home ribbon. And here you'll find lots of different ways that we can style the text or the numbers or the data in our cell. This feature is not available in Google Sheets, only available in Microsoft Excel. So if I ask you for some cell styles, you'll have to do the activity in Excel. All right, so I'm going to go with the title cell style here for esports insurance. Then in cell A2 for first quarter sales, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with a heading 4 style. And then I want to merge and center that data across the data that I have. So my table goes all the way out to F. So I'm going to highlight from A1 to F1. So that's the first thing, highlighting the area in which your table or your data takes up. Then looking at the home ribbon, the alignment group, I'm going to use this merge and center option. And you'll see that that merges that data together and centers it as well. And so I'm going to do the same thing for the next row, selecting, merge, and center. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply some some cell styles to my headings here, my column headings. So I'm going to highlight all of those cells, cell styles, and I'm going to go with a heading 3. And I'm actually going to do the same thing to the names of the sports, heading 3. And then I want a total cell style on my total column. So I'm going to highlight from F3 to F8, and I'm going to apply a total cell style. Notice it's literally called total. And I'm going to do the same thing through E9, total cell style. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about Excel, look at the other videos on PowerSchool Learning. See you next time.